Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable AOD or always on display mode on Apple Watch Ultra 3. So first of all, open the apps menu by pressing the digital crown, then scroll down to Settings app and open it. In Settings you're gonna have to find Display and Brightness settings. Tap right here, then scroll down until you find the Always On feature and tap on it. Now to turn it on or off, just switch this toggle to the left to turn it off, to the right to turn it on. And that's how you can toggle the AOD mode on Apple Watch Ultra 3. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.